All right, ladies and gentlemen. Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Live from Miami, I am Alberto German, and I'm going to be reading the market live, real time, as it's happening.
Good morning, Capi.
Good morning, Mystique. Good morning, everyone. Okay, and we have a predetermined pivot support at 603. Okay, that's support. Very important. That support. I'm expecting like all our supports not to be taken easily, right? So price goes there. I'm expecting a bounce off of 603. So 603, right? Now we have to figure out if this pullback is actually a retracement, more a reversal more than a retracement. It's gonna take this low right here 12 and it's going to continue to 603, right? And that, my friend, is target one for the bears. All right, here we go. And ladies and gentlemen, and the predetermined pivot resistance, it's right here, 27 points above. Okay, so we have. Okay, so time right now, it's what time it is, mistake?
9:07.
9:07. All right, so we have these two right here. Very important. Okay. All right, so we have 630 and 603. All right, so they decided to break it 1 minute before the open. Oh my God, 1 minute before the open. Yeah, that's right. But we know the importance of 10, do we not?
We do.
Okay, so 10 right here, as we all know, is the low of this snake wave. 10 right here. And we believe we have a bearish bias. We believe that 10, the low, is going to be taken before 19, the high. That's what we believe. All right. So, okay. Really? Yeah, that's right. So, clean break of 13 right here, right? Clean break of 13. We have right here. Tell us that the price it's going to is going to oh 08, right? Right here, oh 08. Okay. But we know that the low of the wave is 10. And look at the bounce. We all know that. We've known it for half an hour. Okay. 10 is the low of a snake, meaning sideways. So, yes, I'm expecting a bounce off of that 10. However, which one is going to be taken first, 19 or 10? Well, we believe it is. We believe that is. We believe it's 10. As the ones going to be taken. Clean break of 13, just like we told you, right? Price is going to go to. We are expecting the price to continue to oh 08. But we knew that 10 was going to stop it. It's the low of the wave, all right? So price goes, breaks 13. Nice, right? It decides to break it 1 minute before the open. Okay. So those of you paying attention, take a shot short, right? Then you know that 10 is its support. Smart money bounced the price, cannot take this high here 16. We know that it is still resistance and we are still expecting the price to break 10, right? If it broke 13 first, now it's gonna break 10. It broke 13, went to our next support, 10. We are expecting the price to break 10 and go to our next support, OA. And then we are expecting the price to break OA and continue to O3. This is what we think is going to happen. All right. We can change hats any second back to bull, right? Well, we have to, the market is dynamic. Let's see how it behaves. What I'm expecting is chop right here 8, 16, 16A, A16, 16A. And then we need to let the smart money leave footprints and letting us know if they indeed are done going down and they really want to go to that 630 right there, right? Okay. All right. So in other words, so until that happened, we remain sure. We had confirmation right here, clean break of 13, 10. Takes it back up. We have these 16 and 19 that's not going to be taking anytime soon. And we believe, again, that it is 10, the one that's going to be taken. And this time it's going to continue those 2 points from 13 to 8, 5 points, right? Yeah, but price went back to 13. This is the open. It's normal. All right. We are counting on 19 not being taken. 10, yes. 803. Okay. That's what we're counting on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have another support. Oh 06. Alrighty. Well, yeah, that's right. Look at that. We have 863. So it's not gonna be an rhythmic trip down to oh 03. 8 is gonna stop it. 6 is gonna stop it. And finally go to 3. Right? And then we have to watch every single second, every single tick, every single minute, every single candle, every single Rekenachi, every single Ichimoku, whatever it is you see, right? Pay attention to the levels. That's the only thing that really matters. Okay. All right. 16 to the tick. Cannot take it. 16. Pull back all the way to 13. Oh my God. Yeah, that's right. Expecting chop. Okay. Alrighty. Approaching the high. So that's exactly what a wave is, right? It's a wave, right? Price goes to the low of our wave, 610. We know 610 is support. It's a sideways wave. It's a snake, right? We're supposed to buy it. And then bounce. And we have 13, of course. We have 16. And we have the top of the way, 19. 19. I'm not expecting the price to take it. Not yet. Right? And that's exactly what a wave does, right? It lips up and down, the top and the low, the top and the low, right? Eventually, it's going to break one of the two. We believe that it is 10, the low, the one that is going to be broken, right? So let's see what's going to happen right here at 19. Remember what I told you. If the smart money really wants to go to 630, right? They dropped it as a bear trap, just like we said this morning. Okay, 19. And we are watching every single little move, detail, tick, right? To see if there has been a change in forecast short term, all right? Remember, breaking the low is the short term. Breaking the high is the longer term because it's going to continue going all the way to 30, right? So now you see the importance of having the discipline to do what our system says. By the law of a snake, period, right? Yes, it's aggressive, and we thought it was going to continue going all the way to '08. That's right. It didn't. So broke 13, gave us 3 points. We knew 10 long time ago. We're supposed to buy it. No, Capi, I didn't buy it because this thing was supposedly continue going to '08. Well, our first support 10 stopped it. And you're supposed to be long right there. No, but I didn't. Doesn't matter. The market doesn't care if you, me, or anybody is long 10. Our system says buy 10. It doesn't matter how aggressive it is. That's what we are supposed to do. All right? And ride it all the way to where? To 19, the high of the wave. 19 is stronger than 10. So price goes all the way to 19, giving you now, and all of us, a cozy risk-reward ratio entry short, and we are expecting a recoil off of this 19, 20, all the way back to 10, and then there's going to be shenanigans, these 9 points right here, 10, 9, 10, and then eventually break 10. Unless something happens from now on, and we can tell that the smart money is actually thinking breaking the high and continue to 30, right? So we want to have every single angle covered. All right, so 19, right? We have a price goes to 19 quarter. It doesn't get any more razor sharp entry. This is the holy grail. Look at the 19 short. Look at it. One take of hit, which is not even one tick because it needed to go to 19 so that we get picked up. So 19 short, right? Clean break of 19. Then we take a small loss because we believe that a clean break of 19 price is going to continue to 30. It's going to go up 11 more points, right? Okay, so we get the hell out, right? Couple of points, 1, 2 points here. Have to see how it happens. And that's our risk. And what's our reward? All the way to 10. Break of 10 and continuation to 8. From 8 to 19, how many points is that? That's 11 points. So we have a 1 to 11 risk reward ratio by going short here, hour 19. Is it guaranteed it's going to happen? No. What do you think happened to 16? 16 was resistance. It becomes support now. So we all know that taking 16 is not going to be easy. But if the price is going to do what we said it's going to do and it's going to break 10 before it breaks 19, then it has to break 16. It has to break 13. And it has to continue beautifully going down all the way to '08, right? '06 and '03. So this short play that we just took here, short 19, we are expecting the price to continue going all the way to '03, giving us 16 points. And that, my friends, is how this is done in the real world. Not on YouTube, but on the real trading world, right? Testing 15, so that's 4 points. We know 16 is going to try to stop it. What do you think the bulls are going to do? Aggressive bull. They're going to try to go long here. Remember, for them, this is this pullback. This pullback from 19 to 15, these 4 points that we just made, for them is a pullback in an uptrend. This is the trend that they're playing. The bounce of 10. That's the one that they're playing, right? Okay. Right? So our long 10 just gave us 9 points, right? On a small position. because our bigger position is the bearish position. All right. Okay. Tight leech on this short, no shenanigans. We already made four points in 4 minutes, right? That's pretty good. I'm expecting still some chop. Now we're gonna have, of course, 15, 20, right? 15, 20, 20, 15, 15, 20. And remember that a clean break of the high, that's not gonna be easy, right? That's not gonna be easy, but we know where it's going. Okay, we know where it's going. A clean break of the high. We know it's going to 30. Alrighty. Okay, so this is how this is played. The long 10 that very few people took, right? Because smart money made everybody believe that this was going to continue going down. But we know better. We have a system that told us, I'm sorry, it's aggressive, but we have to do it. We have to buy that 10. This is how it goes. That 10, 3 units, target 1 is right here. It's 19. So you're up 1 unit right here, 19. Okay, 19 is target 1 for the long 10. Oh my God, so I shouldn't get all out? Well, until 10 is destroyed, the short-term play is long this 10 right here. Alrighty? Okay. Alright, so 19 is target 1 for the long 10. The short 19, target 1, is 03. So long 10 to 9, that's 9 points. Short 19 to 03, because remember, we're still expecting the price to break 10 before it breaks 19. So if it's break 10, then we know that the bears took complete control. And then 8 is going to stop it, 6 is going to stop it, and we are Capital Trade Center traders. We're going to let it ride all the way to target 1603 once we have a clean break of 10. In the meantime, we have to continue managing both our positions, right? All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was a beautiful short 19, isn't it? All right, look at that short 19. 11. We are now here. We're gonna have a triple bottom, which is the only setup that the teenagers on YouTube, the millionaire teenagers on YouTube know. That's all they know. Area of demand and area of supply. Bam! And that, my friends, is exactly what I'm talking about. Right? Tell me that you're not flabbergasted. Tell me that you're not flabbergasted, my friend. We destroy OA, and what do you think everybody's doing right now? They're all lucky. Right, ladies and gentlemen, how do you like them bananas? Okay, it's a good thing that violent, right? That's a good thing that violent that violent drop was in our direction, right? Look at that. Didn't I tell you 06 was gonna stop it? Look at the drop. Boom! Stop call. 06. All right. What is that? 375? Oh, gee. Is that 3 ticks above our target 03? Yes, I believe. How many points are we making on this first leg? Remember, this is we're just locking right here. Oh, 3, 0, 4. You know that it's okay to get out a point above, a point below, get right there, right? So officially, we hit target one, right? Oh, Capi, that's amazing. Yeah, that's right. Remember, 603. What comes? What's the next support? Anybody? Let's see if you're writing everything down. What's the next support? Below 5, 6, but below 603. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. You are correct. You nail it on the head. 96 and and okay, we're gonna draw it. All right, and boom, an 83 right there. Right. So target one, we just made 16 points on target one. Right. Target two is it's gonna be a small run. We right. It's not. It's only 7 points. Right. So we made on our first target. We made 16 points. On our second target, we're looking to make 7 points from all three, of course, right? But from our 19 to 96, you do the math, and then, ladies and gentlemen, it's a nice Monday, and then we'll see. All right, so we all know that the odds that we're gonna get target one are pretty good. The odds that we're gonna get target two are still in the cards, and of course, target three. Well, that's a challenge, right? But we'll totally go for it. All right. Of course, needless to say, needless to say, right? Needless to say, the psychological level, right? Like a psychological level 600 is not one of our levels, right? But we need to know what the amateurs, what the retail traders are doing, right? They all have a psychological level of support of 600. Okay, that's not one of our. That's not at all one of our levels. We couldn't care less in terms of our level, but of course we have to pay attention to it because we always want to know what the teenagers on YouTube, the millionaire teenagers on YouTube, are doing in their demo account. We always want to know that. All right, gotta be careful there. So that's not gonna happen anytime soon because this low right here, O2, is really strong. Okay, the taking of 10, the momentum took it all the way to our O3. Remember that we have a counter trend long O3. It's target one. It's an automatic counter trend long O3. Okay, with the micros. All right. So what do we do then now, right? We have 2 units left, short 19, right? Because we took 16 points here, 16. And we have 2 units short left that we want to ride it all the way to 96. And we are 3 units long counter trend 03, right? It's target one, right? So that's an automatic buy. Alrighty. So we now know that '03 became really strong. Okay, so now we have two very strong levels, 20 and '02, 18 points. They're very strong, both of them. All right, pretty good. So the counter trend long '03, you're thinking right now, well, pretty good, right? Look at the counter trend long, the automatic long uh, '02, right? Pretty good. Oh, we didn't know it was gonna be this strong when the price went there, but like 10, like 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes later, we can tell that it's very strong. So we wanna hang on to our units that we have long '02. All right. So you look at your P&L. You have two more units. Sure, the main play is sure still, and we want to go to 96. In the meantime, remember that we're gonna milk the market. That's what we came here for. Right? So in the meantime, we're gonna milk this rally in this main downtrend. Right? Look at that. '02 all the way to 11, right? To 11, that's 9 points. And until the low is not completely taken, then there is no reason at all whatsoever to get out, all out of the counter trend long '03 that we're on right now. Why are you going to get out? If we know that the the smart money, they want to take the price later on to 630. So you gotta be strong. From 3 to 30, that's 27 points, right? Now, if you're trading scare money, if you're trading on skill money, if you're trading dumb money, right? Then you're gonna be tempted to get out, right? Look at your P&L and play it, all right? Clean break of 19 invalidates the main play short 19 that we are on right now as well. Clean break of 19, we know the price is gonna go to 30, right? Let me say that again. Clean break of 19, the odds are that the price is gonna continue going to 30, and all this violent, erratic, vicious move to the downside, which happens for the bulls. For us, it was beautiful because it was in our direction, and that gave us 16 points and before 10 a.m. So yeah, we love it, but it doesn't matter because just like the smart money is doing this erratic type of action, they are in a vicious market mood, and we have to be careful with it because we don't want the smart money to do that to us, going the opposite direction. Okay. Alrighty, so you have to keep all of this in mind as the price is moving. If you want to take full advantage of today's session, like a true professional, right? You're not gonna see this on YouTube. You know that, right? Oh Jesus Christ! You're not gonna see this on YouTube, right? That's correct. And right, all the millionaire girls on YouTube and the boys, right? They've never seen a bull market or a bear market. They just were born, right? And somebody sold them a bogus, crappy trading course 5 years ago, they couldn't make it, and now they're selling their vast knowledge to the other generation of derelicts, the other generation of nice, beautiful young people that have no clue what trading is really all about. These are nice people that want to learn, and they know so little that there are easy prey for this. It's a chain reaction. Alrighty, alrighty then. Okay, so what is this? 610. Look at the price hogging 610. 610, breaking of 610. Support became resistant. Price goes all the way to 1013. Remember our 13. So we have a 3-point range, 1013, right? Of resistance, because we know that the price is gonna be hogging 10. So what's the next resistance? 13. Hour 13. Alrighty? Okay. There's a secret. There is a secret uh, power that is giving us still an indication that we're gonna be in this downtrend is gonna continue. All right. So now we want help from the Fibonacci guys. They're terrific. I love those people. All right. I want them to start shorting this trend at their I don't know where they short, where the hell they if they short the 50, the 62, 63, what the 70 change, whatever it is. We want them to show up and start shorting. All right. There is a secret. There is a secret power that is telling us that this downtrend is going to continue, and we will. Let me rephrase that. And the odds that we're gonna get our target 296, they're pretty good. All righty. Oh my God! But look at the bounce, man. From 02 to 12, that's a 10-point bounce. It took my trail. Your job is to continue shorting resistance, because we believe that this bounce right here is just that. It's a bounce in a downtrend, and there is a secret power that I know about that nobody knows but me and Goldman, that they're planning on taking the price later on all the way to 96. So the main play remains bearish. All right. Until when? Until one of two things happen. Number one, the price destroys 20, and we know it's going to 30, right? Or I tell you, you know what? That's it. That downtrend is no longer valid. It will be taken. So we're going to start getting rid of our short positions and start looking to buy support, because now the price is looking to break that 20 after all and go to 30. So until one of those two things happen, you stay with the plan. So remember 608? Well, 608 is now very important. Okay? A lot of bulls came to the rescue at 608. So as long as the price now is above oh 08, the bulls are in control temporarily. So we have to watch it. It is not until the price takes 608, not even 10 anymore, oh 08, that we're going to be comfortable riding our second unit to 96. oh 08 is going to tell us. Alrighty? Okay. And that's called trading. That's we need to know at all time who's in control. All right, of the who's in control of which term move. All right, to that new support. Okay. All right. So now we have support. What the hell am I doing? All right. So alrighty. So that new one is 24. Okay. So go ahead and draw a new resistance line 24. All right. So we have clean break of 19, right? In case that the true trend takes over, and we know that as long as the price is above '08, the odds are that they will eventually do it, right? So there's gonna be a fight right here. We main play short 19. We're gonna fight these bears as much as possible. We're gonna try to take the price all the way to '08, and then we're gonna see a break somewhere around here. Of course, 600, right? 606, 616. These 10 points right here. So long as the price is comfortably making higher lows and higher highs above '08, then the odds are that it's going to break 19, right? That's going to invalidate our main plate short, and then it'll be looking to continue going to 30 by way of 24. Okay, so that's the opposite of what we want with our main play. But remember what I told you. The counter trend long that we took '03. Why are you going to get allowed? Let that baby ride all the way to 19. Get out 19. Get out 24. And get out 30. 19 is target 1. 24 is target 2. Alrighty? And 30 is now target 3. Okay? Alrighty then. This type of trading, you know that it doesn't exist on the internet. All right? Professional traders that trade like this, I haven't seen, by the way. But those who do, they don't have a YouTube channel. Hey, so Capi, why do you have a YouTube channel? I've been doing it for 40 years almost now. 37 on my way to 38 years. I love to share this with you guys, right? And I just opened my YouTube channel like a couple of months ago. I've been trading the S&P 500 for 37 years, and I just opened my channel three months ago, right? You know, I see all these millionaire kids, and I had to do it. Otherwise, I couldn't care less about that stuff. All right, but I'm having fun, to tell you the truth. Alrighty, so you continue learning. All right, you're gonna love this video today when I posted it, if I have time tonight. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we want taken. Right, finally the '08. This is exactly what we wanted. Okay. Alrighty. So price goes to boom, bam, bing. Beautiful. '04, right? We all know what's going on, right? We all know what's going on. Alrighty. Hang in there, my friends. So, so the official chop began, right? But that's good that the price broke '08. Now we have 10. And that's good for us, bears. Those of us who have a main play short to 96, right? We want to see this type of action. But look, right? What time it is right now? 11:36. 11:30 official chop begins. So from now on, it's more of trade management. All right. Remember, it's the end of the day, and it's the end of the month, right? and these days are peculiar, right? All right, ladies and gentlemen. So Alberto German here from Capital Trade Center, right? Trading live, real time as it's happening, reading of the market, and remember that if it's not live, it's not real.